merging now. Where do you two see the CIO, CTO future?
So I'll quickly take it since I have the microphone because I think our answers are going to be different. I'm in a technology company. Our CTO looks at the technology for our semiconductors, period. It's not something I get involved in. They're looking at new process technology, new game-changing innovations to drive our products the way you described it. From a CIO standpoint, it's about innovation in IT and how do we enable the business. I don't see us moving to having a CTO in IT. That's not where our tech company would go, because we need a chief technology officer that really is looking at breakthrough semiconductor innovation rather than breakthrough IT innovation. And because that's not what we work on in IT, we work on innovation that helps the business grow. But yours may be very different.
Yeah, I think, so Alan is absolutely right. When I was a CIO at a tech company, we did have a CTO, and that CTO was mainly focused on customer technologies and building platforms for the customer, where I ran the internal IT and also building the infrastructure for the service delivery for our customers. But at KC, my role is, and I actually was a CIO for 8 years, and coming back into a CTO role and working for a CIO was a very different, a difficult and a different choice. But I knew that I needed to get back to that technology, although obviously I understand business very well, but that whole, in the digital world, that building the digital platforms and the ability to monetize and build a business on top of a platform, you do require deep technology skills, and that's the point you were making earlier. So I would say, at the core, I think both roles require deep business understanding, but the focus obviously right now, as we are in the world where all businesses are transforming to platform businesses, the role of engineering, the role of CTO is extremely important, because if you don't understand the technology, you can't build the business on top of a platform. So that was, for me, a reset in terms of, as Suja, who was our CIO, or is our CIO, excuse me, so the way she was thinking about the business, she wanted to completely disrupt the way we delivered IT services, and we wanted to deliver through platforms, and that's the whole sort of genesis of this role and what I'm focused on.